What's going on, y'all, and welcome back to another episode. I know, I'm sorry, we're not fishing today. We're actually doing something that's pretty cool. We got permission to go diving in this marina right here, and we're gonna do a little bit of treasure hunting. Look at all the catfish. They're eating the weight on the bottom of the float. Dude, we're gonna get eaten by catfish. Pretty much. Look at them all. That's crazy. Alright. Yep. So, we're gonna get ready and hop in the water. We got flashlights because we know it's gonna be dark down there. So.
Behind you.
No, I'll wait for you. Hi. We gonna get slurped by a catfish. We got permission. Alright, we're legit scared. This water, we can't see our faces, our hands in front of our faces.
You haven't even gone in yet.
Yeah, I know, but you're not going to be able to see.
We're not going to be saved.
Ready? I'm not sure how you're not going to see much on the GoPro. You'll just hear us scream. Pretty much. Dude, you ready? Bro, this is sketchy as hell.
Do for the tube.
You gonna jump in, or are we just gonna sit and flop in?
No, jump in, bro. For the.
Oh God.
There's a ladder over there.
All right. Ready? All right. See you soon. I lost the GoPro.
Are you serious? He lost the GoPro.
Huh?
He lost the GoPro.
Dude, I legit lost my GoPro. I found it.
You got
Dude,
the GoPro.
I legit lost my GoPro. I found it.
Did you go to the bottom?
Yeah.
Can you see anything?
No.
You got a light though. Is it working?
Not really.
They're gone. Nothing.
I found the ladder. First treasure? First treasure? A rope. Heck yeah, boys. Here we go. We're diving underneath a cutting board now, so there's probably gonna be a shark right here. I got a rub rail for a boat, or for a dock or something. Nice.
And they were roommates.
We got a knife. Oh God. We got a knife.
Take this sheath off.
Heck yeah, boys.
Take the sheath off of it, whatever you call it.
Nah, yeah, I don't want to break it. Let it dry off. Alright, can you make a pile of all this stuff?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. Nice.
It smells like booty though.
It's scary, bro, I'm telling you.
Like scary?
Like, it's terrifying. I'm so excited. I got a cone. I cut my foot open because I hit the dang pylon.
Oh, boo boo. Bring it here.
Huh? I got a cone.
Look at my shadow.
What? I got a cone.
Sorry for this brief commercial break. Feel free to check out Florida Hunter on YouTube and ___ KYL3 and then another 3 underscores on Instagram.
got a bottle.
I can't even find the bottom.
I got a bottle.
You got a bottle.
I got a bottle.
Bottle. You got a big
Brophy,
bottle.
you been drinking?
I got a bottle.
Sounds like it. I'm not even going down there and find more than Brophy.
Hey.
Never mind. It's a $50 now. Hold on. You're good.
Nice.
Oyster.
Do you want to move somewhere else?
Yeah.
As I sit here and burn in the sun, I enjoy watching bro fishing do what he does.
It's cold. It's cold up here.
Cold?
Yeah. The wind. All right.
Connor, poke your head up a little more. Not like that. You look like a seagull, homie.
All right. So this is what we got. So this is what we got piled up so far. We got at the first spot. We got the best find so far. Is a knife, a little bait knife, and we got a bottle, glass bottle.
Tasty.
I don't even know what that was. About 1.5 foot long rope. A cone. I don't even know how a cone would get
Dude,
in
I'd
here.
take that.
You want it?
No, I'm not. I don't want it. I said I'd take it if I were you.
Nah.
I don't care.
Nice. Yeah, a cone. I don't even know how a cone gets in a marina. And then the bumper.
Well, considering that there's freaking boats everywhere and they drive golf carts here, I'd imagine there's a cone somewhere around here.
Why is that?
Cause you a cone head. That's why.
Okay. So we got
Oh, there's my bumper.
a bumper rail thing.
You want this knife?
Yeah, I want to keep that.
No, I want it.
I want it.
Oh, fine. I guess you can have it. Open it up.
Yeah.
You won't. No, I can't say that for YouTube.
It's actually not bad.
Don't worry, Captain. We'll buff out them scratches.
Oh yeah.
Just a bunch of oil and gas on it.
Ew.
So the only good find today
So far.
is a Shakespeare knife.
Shakespeare. No, it's a
Alright.
AOT. Out to-
Sponsored. Sponsored.
This ain't sponsored. Alright, and now we're gonna go look for another spot.
Some fries. Wow. First find of the day. Part of my gutters.
I got a hose to a bubble box.
Bubbly, bubbly.
Nice. What's that?
Corner of a clog.
Really? Oh, it's a piece of corn. That's weird. Nice.
Nice, nice.
Yeah, squeegee. Or whatever this
I
thing's.
found a cowling cover.
Really? Look what I found. Want to wash your windshield?
Look at the manatees! Wow! Dude, he looks like a bobblehead.
Alright, we're out of the water now. This is what we found. A little interesting. First off, the best find of this second dive. It's a hook, right? That's what it's
He
called.
hooks me, boy.
It hooks. It hooks boats and stuff.
Cheesy.
It hooks dumb boaters.
Hmm?
Hooks dumb boaters.
Dumb boaters.
Yep. But don't know.
Dude,
how
I'm gonna
to
turn that into a meal.
We got about 1,500 Mr. Clean sponges.
Climb it!
This is called a squeegee, right? Yeah, for like a windshield.
Anyone who lost it, links down in description for info for contact.
Yeah, we're gonna sell all this stuff.
If you find, if you guys know the owner, feel free to contact. 24/7.
And then
7/24.
this air stone.
Yep.
Yep.
Hashtag Paul.
Air stone for a bubble box or a bubbler or whatever.
$5 it still works.
Yeah, it probably does still work. And
Oop.
yeah. And then
Hey, that's littering.
this is just a
I think it's a gutter.
it's a piece. No, it's
No,
a
it's
piece
a
of
piece
plastic for a, like a
vinyl
fence or
fence.
something.
Oh yeah, that's
Vinyl
right.
fence
It's
post.
vinyl fence post. That's right.
Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching this episode. If you enjoyed, subscribe, hit a thumbs up.
Oh, we forgot the motor cover.
What?
The cowling cover.
Oh yeah. And we got
It's not a true cowling if you don't put it on.
for a boat motor.
It ain't a true cowling if you don't put it on. Wow.
Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.
Good.
Say some.
Subscribe. I'll see y'all next time.